Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. In my case I've got only 3, so if you want to, you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears. But if you've got this list very wide, then I think better option is to just tap on clear browsing data, and here you will be able to remove some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything, and here we can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.